My name's Kamala. So I took my first diagnostic without ever opening a book, and my diagnostic was 153. My score is already up to 163. So I'm already pretty confident and like, okay, great. After 2 weeks, I'm already up 10 points. So I looked for several tutors before I started because I kind of just wanted to get it correct and not waste time trying to do self study because I feel like sometimes we can start studying incorrectly. So Prep for Success offered like a free 30-minute just session to sit down to kind of go over if we click with you guys. And Dawn was the one who did that with me. And I appreciated that because I know a lot of tutors won't give you that little bit of time to, hey, let me make sure you actually like us first. So that's one of the main reasons that I went with you guys. So I'm currently with Franco, and right away, just from that very first lesson, he really clicked with me as far as like his explanations for some of the review questions we're doing. And we've been doing twice a week sessions since then. I've already referred him, I think, like a dozen other people because I love the way that he breaks things down and he's very patient and he doesn't talk down to me when I get something wrong. So it's been very helpful. I've noticed a change in my thought process and it's helped on my last practice test to increase my score already. So again, it's more to be one-on-one with someone. It's helpful to me than if you're trying to like read from a book and like, okay, I think I understand what it's saying, but I can't ask the book a question. So it's a little harder in that way.